regular J. Trick him on a regular day. Come 6 times, but it's 7 today. Ludacris in the back of your Chevrolet. What's my name? What the hell are you doing, dog? Like, why do you have to lane split like that? You got a GTR? Don't go too fast, Porsche. I might have to whoop you. I guess a GTR though, right there. God damn, I don't know if he went on the highway or not. Damn it! No, I'm gonna say he's going straight. Why am I getting all red lights? This is bull. I can't catch up to the GTR now. You've got to be kidding me. This is a waste. Let's just say bye-bye to the GTR. Because that's not happening. I don't even see that many GTRs around here for some reason. Everyone's too much into Porsches and McLarens and Lambos and Ferraris. No GTR love. He would race too. He looks like he would race. He thinks he's king of the road. I'm king of the road, man. I'm king of the road. I left a Porsche for him. I left a Porsche. A Porsche that was kind of speeding too. Don't mess! Don't mess! Don't mess with the best, man. I saw that smile on his face. He liked it. Beamer against Beamer. I had to trash him. I'm sorry, but I had to trash you. No, I didn't really trash you, though. You kind of pulled, and I will let the car pull first. Look at that. Alright, you're next. Can somebody please turn with me, otherwise this won't open. Please, pretty please, somebody, please. You have to be in the right lane, the left lane, otherwise it won't open for me. Oh man, you're old. Just saying. Ooh, bump, bump, bump. Oh, mother of. I just want to catch up to nothing else. I don't desire anything else. No race or anything like that. Just want to catch up to it. And me gusta happy. No, I am happy. Je suis contente. And me like that. Me want that. Me want to hit that. Oh, it's a girl, and she doesn't give a flying F about me. Corvette and old guy. I think so. I saw an old hand. I couldn't see his face, but I saw some sagging going on in the hand. You know how old ladies have that arm flap? He had that going. You don't speed on my streets, homie. When I'm on these streets, they're mine. Come on. Come on. Take it. That's what I thought. Cookie panda, 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 panda. Where you at, boy? Huh? Where you at? You want a spanking from a big boy? Just a party gets me so high, so high. I'm gonna go eat some donuts. Nah, I'm playing. You got me. Looking out. I wanna do. There he is. Watch him cut. Watch him cut. Good, Mercedes, cut him off. I'm gonna cut him off too. Let's both cut him off. Calm down. Don't anger the beast. The beast is Nimbus, not me. Hey, 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 look at the booty. I want a GTR. I want a GTR. Why can't I ever find a GTR to play with? Always has to be these stupid cars. Look, he's gonna speed ahead like a douche. Hey, you're a bag of douche. Sorry, you're not a bag of douche. She didn't try to speed up. My bad! To be honest, I'm not hungry. Right now, I'm not hungry. Like Tyrese, I ain't hungry. Ramos traffic always be a beep. A big beep. Excusez-moi. Por favor. Gracias. Nailed it. Nailed it. If that arm ain't fat, don't let it stick out the window. Food for thought. Gains for thought. Oh yeah. MotoGP, look at that. I saw that. I want to race them all, and I will. God willing, I will. Ain't nobody buying a Corvette unless you old. What's going on? Why is everybody swapping lanes? It's like swapping spit when you kiss. Oh, cute. Ah, that's so cool. That was adorable. God damn, I wish I was in neutral so I could have given her a wave as well. But I gave her a nod, man. I gave her a nod. That was adorable, man. She deserves to be on the back of this bike. Not gonna lie. Oh, damn. Hot damn. Oh, I thought it was my green. Ooh. I'm sorry, I didn't see you, homie. One behind me, one over there. Impact Tech, I have those as well. Too fast. Oh, look at that lovebirds. She wants them on the beach. Sandy. Get it down in sandy. Sandy. Dirty sand. Black sand. All the people are paragliding. Is that a GTR? I don't know. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. I'm not. Nah, forget it. I don't know. It's whatever. When I watch the footage, I'll know because the rear camera, but if it was, then whatever. Should I kill him? Enough is enough. I'm playing. I'm playing. God damn, I'm playing. Blue or pink? Choose. I'll let you guys have both. I'll pass. They're like ages past their prime, if they ever had one. Lambo. Should I or no? No, I'm gonna pass. Wait, this was wrapped. It was really nice. Ducati boyfriend and girlfriend. I like that. I'm telling you, man. My passion for girls is gonna be my downfall. That's a GTR. The GTR. The GTR is mine. By keeping red lights, we won't be able to catch up to anybody. I'm gonna lose that GTR, aren't I? Yeah, this GTR is gone too. GTR day. I'm too much of a loser to catch any one of them. It's okay. It happens. Nice shot, homie. You gotta hit a pretty finally wanted to stomp a Corvette. Done. Get out the way. Out the way, bitch. Get out the way. Oh, suck it! Choke on it! It's big enough! I'm playing. That's dirty. I shouldn't say stuff like that. It's what I do. Young, successful. Sex symbol. Is that a double R? Well, we'll find out. You gotta let me through. Rebel R. I don't think it is. No, it's not. I was duped! Jigsaw. That's cool. That's nice. Let's wear some gear, boy. We got a riding buddy here today with me, Mr. Jigsaw. He's gonna accompany me home. So today's ride's done. Hope you guys enjoyed some GTR. And that's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And remember to subscribe! Only cause you love me, cause baby, I love you. I really do. Thank you for all the support. And until next time, peace!